Hello everyone, we'll be making a Christmas card of a Santa Claus theme. Take a white sheet and cut it out like this. Now make the face of the Santa Claus. Take a red color paper to make its hat. Take a tissue paper, roll it like this and then paste it one by one to make the face of the Santa Claus. Take few more as such and paste them. Now make its eyes, nose. Now we will make the card, write it inside it, Merry Christmas, and dedicate this card to your loved ones, and your card is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take these sheets like this and paste it on the black sheet. So here we are making a snowman. Next, we will take the sheet like this and paste it to make its face. Make a Christmas tree using green paper. Make its hands, put its eyes and nose, make its muffler, and then put some buttons, and it's ready. Decorate the Christmas tree if you want, and it's done. Next, using the empty peanut shells, we'll be making a Christmas tree. Paste them in the same manner as shown in the video. We need a good amount of peanut shells to make the tree. So collect them and paste it like this one by one. Paste it in the same manner as shown in the video. Now take the green color and then color it like this. Using the brush, put the colors carefully. After coloring it, you can decorate it if you want. Put a star on the top. Make it like this and fix it. Decorate it and then your Christmas tree will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making a cute Santa Claus statue like this. So take a white color container or a transparent container and then color it like this. Now fill the clay and make a snowman using the clay like this. Make its hat, make its muffler, put some buttons to make it look real. Now fill the box with the clay and put the Christmas tree over it like this. Color it and fix it, and it's ready. Next, we'll be making a beautiful tree. Take an empty bottle and cut it from the between. Put the dry stick on it like this. Paste it to cover it. Now fill the clay inside it as shown in the video. Make some colorful balls of the clay. Fix it inside the dry leaves like this. Put some dry sticks, and it's ready. Next, we'll be making a Christmas tree. So take the green color paper like this and fix it one by one. Make the branch of the tree. Put a star and your Christmas tree is ready. Thanks for watching our video.